Hey guys, it's your girl Makaya. Welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So as you guys can tell by the title of today's video, this is going to be my updated everyday makeup tutorial. This is the look that I've been doing during like quarantine. If I want to get cute, if I want to do my makeup to go run some errands, because I mean like I can't do my makeup to go places, you know what I mean? So this is the look that I've been doing. I really love it. Super neutral, super just like cute, you know what I mean? So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Hey guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is moisturize my skin. I am using this argan oil that I got from my local Marshalls. I can't remember what it's called, but it will be listed down below in the description box, so check that out. Once I apply my oil, I'm going to go ahead and prime my skin using my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is my favorite primer of all time. I've tried the Benefit Primer. I've tried several different ones, and this is by far my favorite one. It just like holds onto the makeup really nicely. If you guys see me laughing throughout this video, because I was listening to something, but I did my brows and concealed my lids off camera because I've done this so many times in videos, but I'm just setting that concealer using the Patrick Starr powder. And then I'm going to go ahead and start with the eyeshadow. So the first thing that I'm taking is this nice warm neutral shade, and I'm using that as my transition shade for this look. As you guys can see, this is the Amrezy palette, and I'll be using this whole palette for this look. I didn't want to use a bunch of different palettes because it's not realistic for me on an everyday basis. When I'm trying to like just do my makeup and go, I just like to use one palette. So this palette has really been convenient, and although it has like colorful shades in it, it still has a lot of neutral shades, which is really good for every day. So like this is the palette that I would take like on vacation because it's not too big, but it has enough shades in it to do a bunch of different looks. So you can do like smoky eyes, more neutral eyes, you can do colorful eyes, you can just do whatever with this palette. I really love it. And now I'm just going to go ahead and take this really pretty light shade and place it on my lid. As you guys can see, I did not cut the crease because that is not something that I like to do for like a regular everyday look. I just want to put the eyeshadow on and go, you know what I mean? So as long as you prime your lids with like some concealer that's lighter than your skin, you don't have to cut your crease. It's just when you want a cut crease look or something that's super sharp, that's when you need to cut your crease. And now I'm just going to take this brown shade and just smoke out the outer corners just a little bit, not too much. Like this was a really simple eye. Like as y'all can see, I'm done with the eyeshadow already, and now I'm just applying some wing liner. Y'all know I love my super jet black matte black wing liner. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. The lashes that I'm wearing are, I think, the Koko lashes in the style Goddess, if I'm not mistaken. I just got this new mascara and I really do like it. I'm not really big on mascara only because when I wear makeup, I wear false lashes. So I'm not really worried about my mascara making my lashes look super long and thick because I'm going to put lashes on top of them anyway. But that's the Ruby Kisses mascara. It's really good though. I do not be putting my lashes on camera for some reason anymore. But I did it today. But lately I've been liking to color correct my dark spots and stuff, or like my hyperpigmentation around like my mouth. It just makes my foundation routine a little bit easier. I don't have to use as much on my around my mouth. So yeah, I put a little bit under my eyes because your girl hasn't been getting as much sleep lately. So I just put a little bit under my eyes to try to cover up my bags or whatever. You know what I'm saying? My luxury bags. And now I'm going to be applying some foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade Classic Tan. I think it's number 335. And I'm using my Morphe M439 buffing brush to blend it out. That's crazy. I remember what kind of brush it is, but yeah. So, how are you guys doing? It's been a while since I posted a tutorial, I think. I feel like it's just been a while since I posted, period, but I'm really excited to be back, you guys. I have so much good content coming up, so stay tuned. The next video you guys will see after this one is a haul, and then I think after that you guys will see like a drive with me or something like that I did, or mukbang, I can't remember. But yeah, I have a lot of good content coming. I'm super excited, y'all. I just needed a breather from like everything that was going on with social media. I kind of just wanted to stay off for a little while because it was starting to affect my mental, and honey, everybody needs a break sometimes. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that, so I'm not just popping back up, you know what I'm saying? I've still been around, but just need to take a break. But as you guys can see, I applied that good old foundation. Once I'm done with my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and cream contour. You guys know that I love to cream contour, like, period. Like, on an everyday basis. When I'm really going somewhere, I like to do it because I don't know, it just looks more natural, and especially because I use a foundation instead of an actual contour product, it just blends so easily. Is that a word? Easily? I don't know. Y'all know what I'm saying though. It's so easy to blend. So this is something that I can do in my everyday makeup routine because it's just like quick and easy for me to do, and I don't have to work as much when it comes to like powder contouring because I already have that base down. So really all I'm doing is setting the cream contour. So okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer once I'm done with my cream contour. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Warm Sand. I just recently got this product and I really do like it already. You really do get what you pay for, because you guys know I was using the Maybelline Better Skin concealer. I've used that. I've used ColourPop. I've used a good bit of drugstore concealers, and I have used some high-end concealers too, but I think the ones I was using just weren't the ones that were good for me, because I tried the NARS, I think, Creamy Radiant Concealer, and I did not like it at all for my skin type. And I also tried the Tarte concealer, and that one was pretty good, but like y'all know all the tea that was going down with Tarte, so I kind of stopped using their products. But yeah, this concealer is really good. I did my makeup this day. I did my makeup at 9 o'clock in the morning, and then I didn't get home until probably 8 o'clock at night, and my concealer did not crease at all. Okay, like it did not crease. My face was oily, but it was oily everywhere but under my eyes. Like, it was crazy. I was like, okay, I might need to use this concealer all over my face, okay, because it was just that good. And normally when I use my other concealers, my eyes will crease within the first like 3 to 4 hours. Like around that time it'll start creasing. But yeah, y'all know I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder to set my concealer, and then we're gonna get into setting this contour, okay? And to do that, I'm gonna be using my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW48. Y'all already know I use pretty much the same products. I'm one of those people where it's like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I don't really like trying new stuff for some reason. I don't know why, y'all, but I recently went and did some makeup shopping, so I do have a lot of new products to try to see if I like. I got a foundation, I got some other stuff too, but yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish setting the rest of my contour on my nose before I do my blush and highlighter. Y'all, I love cream contouring on a daily basis just because it looks more natural to me than trying to use a whole bunch of powder. Plus it's easier because I use a foundation to cream contour. I don't actually use a contour product. Yeah, it's a lot easier. And now I'm just using some MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep to bronze a little bit. And then for blush, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution blush in the shade Nude. This is so pretty on women of color, especially if you're around my skin complexion. I love this color on people around my skin complexion because it's rosy and it's pinky, but it's not like too ashy and it's not too vivid or too like clownish looking, you know what I mean? I am highlighting using my Makeup Revolution strobe highlighter in the shade Golden or something like that. I really haven't been into like wearing a whole bunch of highlighter. I just mainly like to wear it on the center of my face, like my brow bone, my nose, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and I just take the excess product and highlight my cheeks. I don't like a lot of highlighter on my cheekbones anymore. So yeah, that's that. And then I'm going to add some eyeshadow on my lower lash line using the same shade that I used as my transition shade on my on the top of my eyes. And then I got a lot of questions about this eyeliner pencil. This is the NYX Wonder Pencil. I'm guessing they discontinued it because somebody asked me where I got mine from because they can't find it. And I got online and I think it said it was discontinued, but I'm pretty sure if you get on like Google and you type in a neutral or a nude eyeliner pencil, something will come up and it's like worth a try. But I like using this one on those days when I want to look bright-eyed, if you know what I mean. Because sometimes that chalk white eyeliner is too much. That's for like when you want to draw attention to your eyes, but not for like an everyday thing. So I like to use this nude one because it brightens, but it doesn't do too much. And then I'm just using a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes. And then we're gonna get into the lip, you guys. So of course I'm using my Ruby Kisses lip liner. This one is in the shade brown though, not espresso or not cocoa, but it's the Ruby Kisses. At this point they need to sponsor me because your girl be promoting them in every single makeup tutorial I talk about them. So like they should be cutting me a check at this point, because y'all be sending me pictures saying y'all went and got the lip liners. But yeah, so this is the MAC lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy, and then I'm going to use my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie and my Fenty Gloss Bomb, and that's pretty much the whole look, y'all. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye y'all. I have so much good content coming up, so subscribe, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, don't forget that all of the products that I use in this video will be down below in the description box, so check that out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.